Hello, welcome back again. I have been holding on to this for a little bit because I've wanted to just peruse this. This is actually my first time opening or even touching a Twice album. I have been hearing about them from other people who do collect Twice. I hadn't listened to them a lot. If they were on the playlist, then I would hear it, but otherwise I did not, it was not a go-to. So as soon as I heard that it was going to be in Target, I decided to pick one up. And after snooping a little bit and watching other people's unboxings, I've decided to pick up the red one. I cannot remember which one it is, and I do plan on saving the sticker. So, let's very gently open this. Okay. And find all the inclusions, which will go up there. Alright, oh, there's the CD. I do remember from other people's unboxings that it is a vertical book, which, yeah, I'm gonna decide how I actually like that right now. Well, that's pretty. It's still a really cute CD plate. And, oh, that's right. There is a postcard and stuff, and we got, oh, let's see if I can do this. This one. I got her. I still do not know how to tell them apart, so I'm not sure who we got, but she looks really pretty, and I kind of like that bag. And her pose, and those bangs. I wish I could rock bangs like that. So I do have to admit that Scientist has gotten stuck in my head, at least for the past couple of days. I have been humming it at work. Oh, so fun. So I think because this has been out long enough, I will just flip through it real quick, like this, so you can see most of it. Oh, that's real cute. I like her dress. And her little hearts. Okay, that's a little better. Oh, I think I do like group shots better than solo shots. In all photo books. It's fun to see them just kind of interacting with each other or just being chill next to each other. I kind of want that corset. That'd be fun and cute. That whole outfit would be fun and cute. I don't know about the hair, but I'd give it a go. It could be fun. Oh wait, no, more things, more things. I found more things. That is an unfortunate seam. It's still a cute group shot. I do like that. They're all very cute. Oh, that one's better. So cute. I can see why lots of people really love Twice. They are very cute. And do have to admit, Formula of Love has been very fun to listen to. Mostly in my brain. Because it got stuck. Alright, so we did get a set of stickers that are very cute. Oh, we got Mina. Thank you for having a name. Now I know kind of who someone is. That's real cute. And poster. Yep. That is a cute poster. And the ruler. Who I still don't know, unfortunately, and I am sorry about that, but I'm thinking I might start learning them. Because I am liking them more and more as I listen to them. Which is why I do not mind showing off the backs of their cards. Because I do not know any of their signatures, so we did get the group card. Oh, they're fun. Oh, the cookie! I did see this photo card. It is very cute. So nope. Still don't know. We'll have to look it up. I'm okay with that. Oh, we got another cookie. Oh, she's cute. Oh, we got two of the same? Yeah, we did. Cool. And the scientist idea. Oh, yes. Jaeyoung. Super cute. And then we got Momo. Oh, yeah. Wait. Does that mean we got Momo for the fold out? The cover? I think we did. I will have to double check their hair. And then the scratch card, which is Mina. Cute. Alright, so here is oh, I'm silly. I also did get the full group pack that comes with this set. They're a little stiff together. There we go. Okay. So. They're all being fun, mischievous, and cute. Okay, originally I was on the fence whether or not I would be keeping this album, but I think the unboxing has convinced me I need to put some more time into them, learn their actual names, and listen to more of their music, which I think is gonna end up being fun. Because these are cute. All these girls are really cute, so. It looks like I will be adding another group to the girl group binder. So, thank you for joining me on this new adventure into a new group that I've been curious about for a little bit, and then had easy access to one of their albums. So I hope you did enjoy this at least a little bit, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.